Hello, my name is Siraj and you're watching another episode of In Canada. Today we are discussing another hot topic which is very much related to your earning, with your successful life, with your kids' future and all about that. Or you can say your future in Canada. Yes, we are going to talk about jobs and especially survival jobs. If you remember, especially those people who have seen my video regarding the challenges for the newcomers in Canada, they know that I have already discussed about the job challenge, in which when we come here we have to face different sort of challenges, how to resume my career, how to pursue the industry in which I was already working. So yes, we will discuss, but not in this video. In this video we will specifically be discussing about those jobs which are considered to be basics, or you can say the survival jobs in Canada. A lot of us, we think that before coming to here, after buying the tickets especially, we all think that what we're gonna do in first 10, 20, 30 days, and what we'll be doing, how will be. I know, there's a law of economics that monetary resources are always scarce. So to fight with that, what are those jobs and how we're gonna do it? Let's discuss. So let's categorize this thing, the survival jobs, in two things. One is in two categories. First category is all those jobs in which you don't need to spend any penny, any rupee, anything. There is no need of certificate. There is no need of expense. When you come here, you can start very next day. So let's see what are those. I have the list of jobs. There are a lot of jobs, so relax. Number one, salesperson jobs. Well, all over the world, the salesperson's job is considered to be a very tough job. So while discussing about this job, I must say that these jobs need a specific attitude. I'll not say training, I'll not say degree, I'm saying specific attitude. So if you are having a sales attitude, then you should go for it. In addition to this, the good part is these jobs give you a lot of learning, education, information, especially if you want to learn about any country's system. It's good to be a salesperson. Once you be a salesperson, you can learn a lot of things within no time. I must say, within no time. Every day you'll be meeting a lot of new people. These, especially in Canada, there are two types of sales jobs. There are a lot, every day, every new day, you'll see a lot of jobs for sales with regards to sales. But I'll categorize into indoor sales and outdoor sales. Well, indoor sales are comparatively easy. I'm talking in consideration to the weather. You have to stay in store. People come to you and you need to sell them. Outdoor sales are, you need to go to door and you need to sell them. There is no there's two different challenges. First, you need to fight with the weather. Yes, I'll not say that in -20, -35 there is no need to go out, but in outdoor sales people do it, and you can do it if you want to. Second job is helper job. Well, there is a big chunk of jobs in this category, and in this category you can say helper job. What type of helpers? You can say in pizza stores, in coffee shops, small medium restaurants, printing press, these type of businesses, they need helpers. Okay, let me a little bit explain you about the helpers. Like, for say, if you go to a restaurant, they need a helper, for cutting vegetables, for making salad, for wiping out the tables, something like that. All these jobs are done by the helper. So you could be a helper, and you can start with on the very next day, and they'll never ask you about experience or the degree. The best part is this: in all these helper jobs, you'll be having the minimum wage, and with the minimum wage, if you work 40 hours a week, like 5 days, 8 hours per day, you can have good earning, and which we can I'll not say happily, but you can bear your expenses. like I told you about the venue, I'll not say venues, like places like restaurants, pizza shops, coffee shops, printing presses, like all these businesses. These why I took the names of these businesses. You will find a lot of coffee shops here. You will find a lot of restaurants here. You will find a lot of printing presses here. So that's why I have figured out, and we have especially for you guys, we have searched all those specific businesses in which you can, when you come here, you can go to those businesses and can have a helper job. They're gonna give you at least basic salary, right? So, and you can live, again I'll not say happily, but you can bear your expenses with this basic earning per hour earning. So cleaning job is you can be a cleaning person. There is no need of any certificate in license. You can come, if you're good in cleaning, no harm and no shame in it. You can have your basic salary, you can have your basic per hour rate, and then you can like put yourself as you'll find the link in the description. There's a, you can say, portal, or you can say platform called Kijiji. It's an online platform where you can put yourself, and that I'm doing this job, and people call you and they can like hire you for 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, 2 day, 5 days, 10 days, like that. And you don't need to spend any penny for it. Like dog walker job, the people who love dog like me, they will love this job. Again, on that same platform, you can put your services that I'm a dog walker, I can walk a dog for you. So people are very busy, both husband and wife. There's a trend, they both go out, work and earn money, so they don't have enough time to go with their dog and make him walk. So you can do this as well. Grass cutting job, same, considering that scenario, a lot of people they don't have time enough to make their garden clean, neat and beautiful. And in addition to this, let me tell you why they want you to cut their grass and make their garden beautiful. Because if the front lawn grass is is uneven, or you can say is pretty much big, they will be penalized. So to save themselves from that penalty, they're gonna give you the work. You can do this as well. Snow shoveling job. Obviously, grass cutting is in the summer or spring season, snow is in the winter season. So you can have the snow shoveling job as well. Car detailing. Car detailing, people, if for those who don't know about detailing work, detailing means cleaning and cleaning the car from the inside, especially seats, carpets and everything like that, shining it. So this is very popular service here. You can have, if you are good in cleaning, you can do it. You can earn good money, more than per hour job. So helper, helper in house moving. A lot of people move their houses in summer. So what they do, they want people to, again, it's not a job of one man. So they need people to do their moving. So you can be one of them. You can earn good money. Again, this moving job and car detailing job is more than basic per hour job. Like whatever is the basic pay scale, you can demand more than that. So it could be a profession as well. So now let's discuss about the category in which you need to spend some money, but on the other hand you earn good money, and these jobs are those jobs, few of them you can make your profession. So let's start. Job number 1 is security guard job. Well, here when I say security guard job or security officer job, let me tell you that it's not like that. You need to handle guns, you need to handle criminals, you need to chasing criminals, firing and something like that. Not at all. Here in Canada, the security officer's job is very simple. You just need to observe, monitor and report, and that's it. You are not a cop. You don't need to handle guns. You don't need to grab somebody or chase someone. Not at all. So it's very simple. You are there just to observe, monitor, report, and that's it. It's not your job to chase them. It's not your job to physically handle someone. So that's the good. So okay, let's talk about For a security officer license job, you need to have a license for a security officer, security guard license. For that, you need to do a short course. It can be covered in just 2 to 3 days max, and within 1 week you can have it done. Total it's expense of $450, and then you can apply for jobs. The starting pay here, if I talk about today, the starting pay around about, you can say 17 to 19, 20, 15, $16 per hour. Starting from basics, go to 20, 21, sometimes $22 per hour. So it could be not starting, could be a very good profession as well. You can drive Uber. You know Uber services. It's a you can say mobile cab service, in which you call people call cab from their mobile, and you could be their driver. So when we talk about the driving jobs like cab jobs, you need to have a class 4 license here in Alberta in Canada. Otherwise you cannot drive a cab. You can drive with class 5 license, you can drive your personal car, but you cannot drive a cab. So when we talk about class 4 license, it's approximately around about, if you go for a training and then for the driving test, around consider $700, $600, $650, $700, right? Because as per our research, the trainers, the academies who train you, they charge you around $500 for the training, and then your computer test, and then a road test. You can have 700 in your figure of 700 in your mind. So that's a good thing. If you are able to do it within first month, then again, people are earning good money. They drive, I know some of the people, they drive 8 to 10 hours a day, and they are earning good money, more than the people who are doing regular jobs and with their own schedule. So choice is yours, you can do it. Insurance. This society is insurance based society. Everything is insured. So if you're among those people, if you're the one who are good in studies, who have love with the books, so you can have insurance license. I'll not say it's not a game of 1 month. Yes, it'll take maximum 3 to 5 months, you can say, if you're good. And the best part, if you're really good in studies, then maybe you can do it in 1 month. People are there who have done in just 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and a month. So if you are able to do this insurance license, then you can do personally sell insurances, then you can associate with the insurance companies. It's normally a commission based job. I'll not say a job, it's a business, you can say, but it's a very lucrative business. People are earning very good amount. But yes, somehow it's a hard work. Why? Again, you have to study, you have to give tests, and then you can have this insurance license, and then you can pursue with this profession. So food delivery jobs. Again, why it is in that list in which you have to spend some money to do these jobs? Driving license. You can deliver your the food in your own car, but at least you have to have a driving license. Otherwise, you cannot do it. So it could be with the restaurants, and you can have there is a service, skip the dishes, couple of other services. If you have the driving license, then you can associate with your car and yourself with those services, or with any restaurant, and you can do this job. It's a very good part-time. I'll not say full-time, it's a very good part-time. Again, the food timing is always only 2 times in a day, so it cannot be a full day service, but very good part-time option. Car buying and selling. Well, by document, if we see this option, this job is very simple. By document, you don't need to have any expense, just buying a car, but technically you need a license. Why? Obviously, we are considering that people come here by themselves, not with the family, not with 2, 3, 4 people. So I'm considering that you and me, I was alone here, so I was not able to go if I'll not be having my driving license on that day when I had bought my car. So whom should I had called? Like I had to call the person. He would have come, and then it was a big difficult thing if I would have not the license on that day. So the best part is this: first get the driving license, then you can do a car buying and selling business. I'll not say it's a job, it's a good option of business. People are earning a very good amount on monthly basis just selling 2 cars in a month. So you can do this, but again, it's recommended first get the driving license so that you can drive the cars from the auction to your house, and then many of the time you need to drive to your customer place as well. The last option is delivery jobs. You will be having a lot of options when you'll be looking for the jobs that companies will be asking about the delivery drivers. Again, the required license for these jobs are Class 5 Advanced. In Alberta, Class 5 Advanced, or you can say in Canada, is considered to be a full license. Until or unless you'll not be having this license, you cannot do these jobs. So that's why this job is also in the category in which you have to spend some money. So you'll be spending some money, you'll be getting the driving license, and then you'll be doing this job. So be happy. Hard work is very important. It's necessary is you can say the most important thing, planning and hard work. So before coming, keep this thing in mind, keep this job in your list. You can do it. Nothing can stop you to for your going to your success. You can have it. So stay connected, click bell icon, don't forget to subscribe and share, like, stay connected. Me called Shiraj. Wait for the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can write us your questions and the confusions on in.canada@idealemarketing.net. You will find the link in the description. And thank you very much for watching the video. Stay connected, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Take care. Me called Shiraj. Bye bye.